This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Pinterest and sign in so the history you want is available. Once logged in, make sure you're on your profile by tapping your avatar. This immediately locates your account tools. If you expected history but don't see activity, check that you used the same account where you saved or viewed pins. Now move to the menu or three-dot icon. This is where Pinterest hides your recent actions and saved items so you can access what you viewed. Once done on your profile, tap the three-dot menu or the hamburger icon to reveal more options. You choose Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Data because Pinterest groups viewing history and activity there. Make sure to select Recently Viewed or Activity. Pinterest sometimes labels it differently across app and web. You'll see thumbnails and timestamps. Scroll to find specific pins. If you need to revisit a board, use the Pins menu to open the board or save it for later. You finish by managing the items. Tap the pin options to hide or clear entries and confirm when prompted so your history stays tidy. If something doesn't appear, try logging out and back in or update the app. This often resolves sync issues. Make sure you checked any other accounts you might have used. History is account-specific. If problems persist, reinstall the app as a last resort, then sign in and recheck recently viewed to confirm your history returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.